Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to update GoCrypto application to the latest version. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this process will help you out. First of all, make sure that you open up your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar at the bottom center, tap the search button, go to the top of the screen and type in GoCrypto. Once you search for the application, click on the application, this one over here, and look if there is an update button available. If you don't see the update button, it means you already have the latest version installed on your device, but if you see the update button, tap on it immediately to get the latest release. Keeping your app updated helps you get the newest feature, better security, and smoother performance. You can also toggle on the auto update button by tapping the three dots at the top right corner and clicking on this auto update text box. Just make sure to keep it checked. So right after you do that, you have successfully updated GoCrypto application to the latest version. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and you have enough storage space, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.